Hello, I'm Bayan. I'm a dietitian, and you may find this video helpful if you have been told by your kidney doctor, nurse or dietitian to reduce the potassium content in your diet. Today I'm with Randa,
Hi Bayan.
whose husband Jamal has been living with kidney disease. And they're originally from Egypt.
Yes, we are.
Right. Randa, tell me, what are we cooking today?
We will be cooking yakhni.
What is yakhni?
Yakhni is traditional Egyptian stew.
A traditional Egyptian stew.
Yeah.
So although that is a traditional Egyptian dish, you may find the potassium lowering ideas applicable to a lot of stews from all around the world. We will also be showing you how to reduce the potassium content through cooking methods, portion sizes and food swaps. So Randa, what are the ingredients needed for the stew?
1 kilogram cut lamb, 5 garlic cloves minced, 800 gram green beans or okra, 1 tablespoon 7 spices, 1 medium onion finely chopped, half bottle passata.
Thanks, Randa. So you mentioned okra, and okra is a high potassium vegetable, which is very commonly used in traditional Egyptian stews like this one. We can usually make stews lower in potassium by using less okra, by using tinned okra, or by swapping to a lower potassium vegetable. Today we will be swapping the okra for a lower potassium vegetable, which is green beans. So Randa, tell us, how do we start?
First, we heat a pan with olive oil and add the lamb. Add the lamb and cook for 4-5 minutes on one side. Leave it to cook. Then, flip each piece over and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes.
At this point, you can add the spices.
Once the lamb has been cooked, move it to a plate. Now, add the remaining olive oil along with the garlic and onion. Cook until soft for about 2 minutes. Now, add 4 cups of water to the pan to create the sauce and let that simmer for 10 minutes. Now that's done, add the lamb back to the pan and mix everything together. Turn the heat down to low, cover and simmer for 15 minutes to let the sauce thicken.
Now add the green beans to the pot and simmer for 20 minutes. So now we have our finished yakhni ready to serve. Yakhni is served with vermicelli rice and garnished with fresh cilantro or coriander as per choice.